How to fix your iPad is not connecting to the Wi-Fi. So if you can't connect to a Wi-Fi network but your internet is working on other devices, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and load up the settings on your iPad, scroll down on the left hand side and click on General. Now scroll down again to VPN and Device Management and click on this. Now just make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. As you can see, mine says not connected. Now you can use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of the screen. You can then click on the Control Center and make sure VPN is turned off from here. If it's still not working, then come back over to the General Settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPad. Now click on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings. You'll then just need to enter the passcode to your iPad. Once everything's been reset, you can try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi and checking if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, come back over to the settings, scroll down on the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Location Services and click on System Services. Now go and switch off the networking and wireless option and then just press Turn Off. Now once you've done this, you'll need to hard reset your iPad. Now to do this, we can quickly press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button in the right hand side. So I'll do this with you now so you can see what this looks like. So we're going to quickly tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side. Continue to hold this button down until eventually the screen will go blank. Now after about 10 more seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. You can then go and release the lock screen button and wait for your iPad to restart. You can now try connecting to a Wi-Fi network and that should have solved the connection issue.